I busted it.
We found something to do.
Alright, we're going to be doing a video about the internals of my new PC that I am building. We got about 8 gigabits of RAM. We got our processor thing, our motherboard. Water cooled everything. We have the best of the best man is here. We got Razer Gaming. Yeah.
This is my dual monitor setup.
Yeah, they're. I don't know. Yeah, you guys like a bunch of cables and shit. Yeah.
I'm just searching up something for my tests.
You looked up Minecraft? You play Minecraft?
Yeah, downloads, bro. I'm downloading this right now.
Alright, now how you close this computer is fairly simple. You just take your fist like this and you just do that. But no, you kind of have to press it. And then we have this, and then we just go to Google Chrome. And then you look up what the fuck? You just look up that shit right there.
Mayonnaise.
You got that right, my dude.
Yeah, the mayonnaise are really good. They're spicy.
What's your last name?
Oh, let's actually press enter. See what we find. Y'all ready for this?
Go. Turn this in.
Oh,
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? What is
found
it?
some memes.
This is interesting. Oh my god, what the fuck? When coach says anon. What? I don't get the meme.
Memes.
I don't know. Oh my god, what the hell? This is super creepy. If you see this JPEG while scrolling, you have been visited by Google. Alien of Lamo. Good genes and cosmic knowledge will come to you, but only if you comment Lamo on this video. Lamo.